Good morning, my name is John and this is the Homestead Diary. We are looking at an A.O. Smith water heater that is in need of a rebuild so far as we can tell. It just stopped working, and so it's a little old and beat up, as you can see by the added handle there, but I think we can probably make it work again. So just doing this little thing to remind me how things are hooked up. So this is the upper thermostat here, and we've got black wire coming to the left, red wire coming to the right, and then from here, white wire coming down to the top of the element, and then blue wire coming down to the bottom of the element. And so red, blue, and then red here. This red goes down and comes to here, and this is the lower thermostat. And so it comes into the top of the thermostat, black goes out of the thermostat, and then to the side of the element, and then black comes out of the element, and black goes back up to feed to here. And so it makes a circle all the way around. And so hopefully that little ditty will help me rebuild this water heater, and it won't cost me $400. It'll instead cost me about $70. We'll see. Y'all have a blessed day.